Good morning and welcome to Steph's Kitchen Adventures. So this morning I've started off with this lovely pottery bowl by Nigel, and I've squeezed the juice of 1/2 of an orange in there. I have an orange in the fridge, or did have an orange in the fridge, and I thought I really must use that up, aiming for zero waste. And I've got a big tub of peanut butter here. I'm just going to put a dollop of this in with the orange juice. Lovely protein, and I'm just going to mix that together as best I can. So I don't have any plant milk in the fridge this morning, so I'm not using any of that. So just mixing the peanut butter very gently with the orange juice. It's going quite nicely. Something a bit different. You've got to have adventures. And then onto the top of that, I'm going to add some stewed apple, to which I've added a few dates, and that's going in to the bowl as well. Lovely organic stewed apples, so good for the gut. I've still got some of that for tomorrow. Then I've got some lovely organic blueberries which were picked in July. Quite generous with the blueberries this morning, and why not? I've still got quite a few in the freezer. Then a little dollop of yogurt, I think. So this is the Yo Valley Greek yogurt. Just going to put a little bit of that in there. I don't go overboard with yogurt. If you're sensitive to dairy, obviously you need to be careful with it. I find eating this lovely organic Yo Valley yogurt first thing in the morning is fine. If I eat it later in the day, it doesn't work for me. So it's not always about what you can't and can eat. Sometimes it's about when as well. So just notice the effects that things have depending on the time of day. I do most of my eating earlier in the day. So I've got some desiccated coconut, but I'm not quite going to add that yet. I've got some lovely cashew butter here. I'm just going to put a dollop of this on the top. Extra kind of protein. Just to keep showing you what this looks like. I often end up with several spoons in one dish. So a bit of desiccated coconut next. See if you can have a better view of the bowl. Don't want to go too mad, it gets into clumps. I've also got some lovely sesame seeds, just going to finish off this jar. Sesame seeds. And as a final flourish, I've got a couple of Vigo chocolate buttons that I've chopped up. There's a little bit of fun on the top. So there we are, lovely protein, organic fruit, organic juice, and some coconut, sesame seeds, and nut butters. So I hope you have a lovely day. I'm going to enjoy this now. See you soon.